Hi guys, it's Zoe from Zoe's World, and today I'm doing my fidget collection. Oops. That's not again. And it's gonna oopsies again. Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. So, this was my first fidget. A simple poppet. And that's slime. Don't worry. I promise you this is putty. I promise you this is putty. No, it's not barf. And I can show you. Okay, but anyways, this is my first fidget. It's a simple poppet. This is my second fidget, a glow-in-the-dark glittery Among Us poppet. A little more exciting, you could say. But then, I became addicted. Yeah. And I know I have more. This isn't even close to all of it. I have a bunch at other places, like in the house, obviously, but like not in this room. Like not in my fidget bin. I have a lot more. But I have this LOL surprise poppet. I love it. My aunt got it for me. I have this llama poppet that my grandma got for me. Oh yeah, okay. And here is the slime. See? It's the same color. I can show you proof that it's not barf, because look, I can play with it and stretch it. Okay, so I promise you, it's not barf. I don't think. I really don't. I mean, I'm the only one who plays with this slime, and nobody's barfed in our family, so... Watch, this is how I did it. I wanted to make a poppet bubble, and then it got stuck because I put lotion in the slime to make it softer, so I just had to show you all and waste my first poppet, which is really special because my dad got it for me. So, it's really special, even though my dad's obviously still alive, and you know that. Yeah, it's just really special. So I just ruined my most special fidget that I have for you all that are watching this. Not even many people are going to watch it anyways, so yeah, that's how much I care about you guys. But yeah, this is my putty. This is what I did for you guys. So, thank me, please. The way you can thank me is, by, maybe, you don't have to do this, obviously. Like I said, if you would want to, the way you could thank me is maybe liking and subscribing, because I'd really appreciate that. I'm trying to get to, I think it's 60, so that 60 subscribers, so I can do live streams now, because I would really want to do live streams. But yeah, I really want to do live streams, so. Oh gosh. Okay, so I have this slinky. My mom's tossed it to untangle it, but it's a rainbow slinky that I got from actually the Dollar Tree, surprisingly. I did not know we would find that there, but I got that. Yeah, I have this little mochi that I love. I had this little mochi. I have this little mochi that I love. This one, I know I have over 40 mochis. This one, it's really old. I have this 4x4 Rubik's Cube. I'm still learning how to solve it, obviously. Well, not necessarily, because I kind of know how to solve it, but never mind. But yeah, I have this thing that I can solve in under 30 seconds. I don't know if it's 30 seconds. I'm pretty sure it is though, because I can solve it really, really fast. But still, you get my point. So I will do that for you right now.
I'm gonna put these in here, but don't eat them right now. They'll be too hot.
Okay, thank you. Yeah. So, hold on. This takes me forever because I never pay attention to what I'm supposed to do. Wow, it's mixed up. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Oh no, that's terrible. Okay, there. See? Yes, that's solved. Yes, that's solved. Okay, now the time starts. Okay, now the time starts. I mean, it's hard though, because like the pieces, most solves I can get in under 30 seconds if I'm not like being watched. But like if I'm being watched, it's a lot harder, obviously. I have this thing that I got, my grandma got it for me. I have a marble mesh, I don't know which one it is. I have this needle that I love. This is technically my brother's needle, but I stole it from him. And I smell this poppet because, so this was one of my first fidgets, obviously. Well, not obviously, but like this was one of my first fidgets. So when I was little, or not little, but like when I got this, I would be obsessed with like taking a fidget in my in the shower with me. So I brought it in the shower with me. It still smells good because I cleaned it, obviously. Well, not obviously, but still, you get what I mean. I have this infinity cube. I know I have a black one somewhere. I have this infinity cube, this yellow one. In my mom's car, I have a purple one, but I'm not gonna go outside right now. Get it? I have this circle poppet that I got. Let's just enjoy some ASMR. Send this to someone to make them happy. Hold on, where is it? Okay, I'm gonna have to sacrifice a fidget that I love, aren't I? Okay, yeah, send this to someone who loves fidgets to make them happy. Very, very happy. Okay, let's go get an emoji that I don't care about. Because this is gonna, like, I have to use emoji that I don't care about because, like, if I use one that I do care about, it's gonna feel less special because, like, you're using. So I'm gonna, like, do a tutorial on how to do this. Yeah, so I'm gonna do a tutorial on how to do this. I'm gonna just go get a mochi from downstairs. Let's go downstairs. Yeah, let's go downstairs. Okay, so let me get the mochi. Oh yeah, this is my brother's Squishmallow.
Put down!
Yeah. I love it. Of course, he had to get the first squishmallow in the house instead of me, but no big deal. Yeah. So I just found a couple more of my fidgets. Oh, the pink infinity cube is right here. Okay, here's my pink infinity cube. Ignore all the stuff on my hand. Here's my rainbow infinity cube that I got. Okay, I have a fidget pad right here. I also have another one. I do not know where it is though. But I know for a fact, 100% sure, I do have a green fidget pad. But yeah. Okay, so Okay. So we're just gonna probably do the rest down here because I have most of my fidgets down here now too. This is my pop tube that I got from Santa that my brother ruined. But yeah, he ruined it. So I have this monkey noodle. I have this monkey noodle, and somewhere I do have more, and I know that for a fact. I have this monkey noodle. I have a pea popper that used to have the middle pea. It doesn't anymore, but I have this green infinity cube. I have this thing that used to have rainbow beads in it, or not rainbow beads, rainbow Orbeez, but I have this squishy. Okay. I have this thing that my brother popped. It was a globble. But my brother just had to pop it. I have this purple squishy ball. I also have a pink one, but I didn't bring it out. I'll get it after this because, oh, here it is. Okay, here's my green fidget pad. I got this from Olivy's birthday party. I have this rainbow slap bracelet that I love. Like, I just love this. And then the thing I like about it most is if you're feeling happy, like you can do it rainbow, and if you're feeling like kind of gloomy, you can do it like the sad color. Well, not like necessarily sad, but it's not like happy colors like rainbow. So right now, I'm feeling sad. Yes. Anyways, yeah. So you can do that. I got these from the Easter Bunny. Yeah, I got these from the Easter Bunny. You can tell this is obviously used to be slime. It's not anymore because it got ruined, but they're bad. It's okay. Ignore the sounds in the background because okay, I found one of my other monkey noodles. It's a yellow one. Alright. Alright, here's one of my poppets that I have. I have this fingerling that I love. Let me turn it on. Let me turn it on. Okay, hold on. I can't get her to do it, but I was gonna do something funny with her. But I found another slap bracelet. It's a heart one. Probably from Valentine's Day. I have a snapper in here. It has something that used to be slime, I guess. It's not in there anymore. Finally, okay, I found a globble that actually still works. And my brother hasn't ruined yet. This is the remains of my friend Penny and my friend Ava. She gave this to me. Yeah, she gave it to me, basically. But, okay, so down here I had a snapper, a wacky track, this thingy, a bunch of monkey noodles, and a pop tube, an infinity cube, a fidget pad, a green fidget pad. I don't know which one is in. Yeah, this green fidget pad, this green fidget pad. There's my brother. Ollie, say hi to the video. No? Okay. Yeah. So, and then I had this peanut popper that my brother also broke, obviously. Who else would break it? But, yeah, now I have to do that thing to send this to a friend that loves fidgets to make them annoyed. Okay. So, actually, no, let me do that last. So, look. Well, send this to a friend that likes fidgets, but also especially if they like mochis. So you just have to find a good mochi that you want to ruin, and then just like do it like that. Like, it's really, really fun, and I definitely recommend it. And then another thing you can do is take apart your mochi. This was my first mochi. I think it's done for. But okay. I just saw Slinky, but I don't have time to because I need to make sure my cat isn't eating my food. Okay, good kitty, you weren't. Okay. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn the post notifications on if you want to. Here is one last thing that I'm not sure if I showed. Same with this, and this, and this. But, and this, but like, and this one, and this one, and this one. But bye, guys!